I wish it can be a handy tool.
I want to be cool and pretty.
I want it to be fun.
We are bringing to you a new generation of home light curing 3D printers, L6. L6 breaks through the industrial design style of traditional 3D printers. It blends technology and home design elements, stylish and pleasing appearance. Perfect for use in the home, equipped with self-developed D-Master slicing software, and our 2K monochrome LCD has a service life of more than 2,000 hours. In order to increase the service lifespan of L6, our 2K monochrome LCD has a service lifespan of up to 2,000 hours, and the integrated LCD screen, as well as the side orientation of the motherboard design, makes it more convenient for us to replace the LCD screen. L6 unique design of integrated resin vat comes with automatic feeding function. Combine the integrated FEP film makes more convenient. No need to refill resin every time, just put the resin cartridge in, and the printer will be fed automatically. You don't have to worry about running out of resin anymore. L6 uses a larger capacity cartridge. Each cartridge has capacity of more than 400 grams of resin. It's perfectly enough for you to develop all kinds of creative ideas. L6 can also use many different types of resins. We have also developed a safe and washable plant-based resin, which has passed the formaldehyde and organotin tests. It is proved to be non-toxic. In order to clean the item after finishing it, no need to use organic toxic solvents. It's safe, environmentally friendly, and convenient. The Z-axis of L6 adapts to the outer double ball bearing linear guides, which eliminates the oscillation generated by the Z-shape. As a result, it is possible to print with higher accuracy, featuring an SoC main chip and 4G eMMC storage. Coupled with a dual-core Cortex-A7 up to 1.2 GHz, the L6 can print faster up to 60 mm per hour. As a home printer, the L6 also delivers a revolutionary user experience. Our self-developed Doraware app model library allows you to have your own way that eliminates complicated operations and offers quick access to printing. In addition, L6 also supports Wi-Fi remote printing, real-time monitoring of printing progress, realizing intelligent printing to its greatest. This is the L6 UV Light Curing 3D Printer, a 3D printer that is specially designed for families, high value, high quality, high speed, and easy to use.